Hey there, and during this video, we are going to be taking a look at the Ultimate Banner plugin. Now, just getting started with the plugin, the very first thing that we need to do is choose a template that we would like to work with and include on our website. So along the top here, you're going to see we have different tabs for different categories. So we have our page, post, sidebar templates here that you can scroll through. We have our page only, our full width banners, as you can see here, our video templates that you can see here, and finally our testimonial templates that you can see here. So now once you decide which template that you would like to work with, so for this instance, let's go ahead and head back to my page, post, sidebar, and let's say that I wanted to work with this template here. All we have to do is click on it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on that, and that's going to take us to the editor for this template. Now I'm going to scroll down just a little bit here, and when it comes to editing the template, it's fairly simple. On the left hand side here, you're going to see we have different tabs, and each tab represents a different element of our banner. So at the very top we have our banner style, and this here is just where we can change our background color, our padding, our border, and things like that. I'm going to go ahead and click on the text, because this here is the most important part, in my opinion, is adjusting the text to have it say what you want it to say. Now, you're going to notice, depending on how much text we have on the banner, that will determine how many tabs we have here for each text element. So we have two in this example. We have the audio package for $200 and the what's included MP3 that you see down here at the bottom. Now, to adjust this text, we're simply going to click on it. Inside of this box here, we can delete this, and we can insert any type of headline or anything we want it to say just like that. And of course, we have all the different customization options here for that text. We're talking about color, size, font style, decorations, spacing, all that great stuff. I'm going to click on that again to minimize it, and now we can do the exact same thing for the second one and replace this text as well. So I'm just going to say my bottom headline. Let's go ahead and minimize that, and as you can see, editing the text is very, very simple to do. The next major element we have here is the button. So I'm going to click on that. Again, we have this tab here. We click the drop down, we can change our button text. I can say download now. And of course, again, we have the same customization options that we had for our text, and that I'm sure that you are fairly familiar with. The next option that we have here is the logos. Now, of course, you see the image in the middle of my banner here. We can obviously adjust that image. We can delete it, upload our very own image, or if that image supports our purpose, we can leave that there if we wanted to. And then we have some customization options to move that around the banner and place it exactly where we want it to be. Last but not least, we have custom CSS. If you really want to get fancy and customize this banner, you can do so by editing the custom CSS here. Now, a really cool feature that I want to show you really fast before we move on to the next part of this plugin is if I jump back to the banner style, we actually have a bunch of different animations that you're going to see here for your banner. So for example, if I select the shadow pop, we can see we have a nice little shadow underneath our banner. We can do a rubber band, for example, and we can see exactly what that looks like. And adding one of these animations can really help the banner stand out when a visitor visits your website, and it can really catch their attention. So that there is where we can customize the animation for our banner. I'm going to go ahead and leave mine on the rubber band for now. I am then going to click on Next here at the bottom of the screen. Now, once we have our banner created, we have three different options. The first one is to save and publish your banner. This here is if you are done with your banner and you are ready to include it on your website, we can go ahead and save it and get to publishing that banner. The next option is to save this as a new template. So earlier in the video, I showed you all the different templates that we have. If you came in here and you created a custom banner that you would like to use as a template for future banners, you can go ahead and save this as a new template, and that way, when you create a new banner from scratch, you can select this as a template and just make changes that way. And last but not least, you can download this as an HTML code and include it on a different website instead of this WordPress installation. I'm going to go ahead and click on Save and Publish. We're going to call this My Test Banner, and I want to click on save. Now, once I do that, you can see that I have been redirected back to the templates screen, and now we are navigated all the way to the right to my saved banners. And this here is where you can find all the different banners that you have created with the plugin. You're also going to notice that we have this shortcode listed underneath my banner. Now all I have to do is take this shortcode and I can include it anywhere on my website where I would like the banner to appear. But before we do that, we need to customize how we want this banner to actually work when someone clicks it. So to do so, I'm going to click on Banner Publisher on the left hand side. That's going to open up an editor screen that you are familiar with inside of WordPress. At the very top here, we need to enter your banner name. So we're going to call this My Test Banner one more time. We're going to scroll down just a little bit here, and we have some banner settings. For one, would you like this to be active? Yes or no? The type of banner that we are using, and the banner template. So we're going to click the banner template, and we are going to select My Test Banner that I just created. From here, we can choose to show the whole banner or the button only. And then the most important part, what is the banner objective? We can send them to a URL once someone clicks our banner, and to do so, we just need to simply enter the link here that we would like to send them to. We can choose to have an email opt-in pop up once they click on that button. And we are also integrated with Thrive Themes and Lead Pages. So for Lead Pages, you will need to enter your Lead Pages code here. Similar for Thrive Themes, you will need to enter the Thrive Themes shortcode here. If you would like to use an email opt-in pop-up, you will need to paste your Autoresponder's sign-up form code here. And of course, the send to URL, all you need to do is enter the website link here that you would like to redirect them to if they click on your banner. So let's change this to google.com and test it out and make sure it's working properly. So now that we have that information inserted, I'm going to click on Publish at the top here. We are now going to jump back to the banner builder, and we're going to head over to our saved templates and grab the shortcode for the banner that we would like to use. So we're going to copy that. And as I said, we can place this anywhere on our WordPress website, inside of our pages, inside of our posts, or even inside of our sidebar, which is what I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to go to Appearance, Widgets, and we are going to add this to our sidebar by using a simple text widget. So we're going to scroll to the bottom here. We're going to scroll this all the way to the top. We're going to place this at the top, and all I'm going to do is paste in my shortcode just like that there, and click on Save. And now if I head over to my website, we're going to open this up in a new tab. We're going to see my banner on the right hand side, and we can see it's even interactive. And if I click on this, it's going to redirect me to google.com, as you can see there. And now finally, if we head back to our dashboard here and we click on Stats and Management, we can keep track of every banner that we create and publish. We can see the title of our banner, the banner image, the category, the tracking, the shortcode, and of course, the most important part, the clicks, the views, and the result, which is the percentage of the click-through rate. And the best part about the entire plugin is, if at one point you have this banner here on 20 different pages on 10 different websites, and you want to change the link that it links to, for example, right now I'm linking to google.com. Let's say that I am linking to an affiliate product and that product goes away or stops accepting new customers, and I need to promote a new product with that same banner. Instead of having to take down all 20 banners and edit each banner individually with the link that it's linking to, I can simply come back in here into my plugin. I can mouse over my template here and click on Edit, and I can just simply scroll to the bottom, change my link here, click on Update, and that's going to update my banner on all the different pages and posts that it's saved on without me having to go to each one individually. Alright, so as you've seen throughout the video, the banners are extremely easy to create and manage. We have many different templates, and you can place them on any of your websites, regardless if they are WordPress or not.